On this video I will show you how to use a firewall in Ubuntu to protect yourself from intruders. Now there are a bunch of different firewalls that you can get for Ubuntu, but one that I really like and I think it's very simple to use is called GUFW. And to get that, just go to your Synaptic Package Manager. And just search for GUFW. Okay, so just go ahead and install that. And actually, after I installed it myself, when I went to applications to look for it, I couldn't find it anywhere. So I had to create a custom menu entry for it. And to do that is very simple. You just right-click the menu, go to Edit Menus, and I put mine in the Internet one. So you can just choose which one you want it, where you want it to be. It makes sense to have it in under Internet, so I did that. And to edit, you just go to Add New Item, and you enter the information here. And I already added one, so I'll just show you what I did there. So for the name, I put firewall, but you can put anything you want there. It really doesn't matter. And for the command, you just type GUFW. And then if you want to pick an icon for it, you can just click here and choose an icon for it. That's pretty much it. So once you do that, you just go to where you added the entry and click it, and it should open up. And here it is. It's very simple, as you can see. For most people that have a router, they really don't need a software firewall, because most routers come with a firewall in the router already. So you really don't need to install a software firewall. But if you have a laptop and you go to public hotspots, then it's very important to get a software firewall, because when you're in a public hotspot, it's really not encrypted, and it's very easy for somebody to access your computer and steal your data. So just get this firewall, and what you want to do is check firewall enable to enable it. Once you do that, you have these options here. You can add ports, like exceptions, that will not be blocked. You have some pre-configured ones, like some pretty common ones like FTP, IMAP, POP3. So if you enable this firewall and you're having trouble receiving email or sending email, you might want to choose, like if you use IMAP to access your email, you might want to allow IMAP. And to do that, you just select it and go to Add. And that's pretty much all you have to do, because it's already pre-configured. It already knows the port number for IMAP. And there's also some advanced ones, advanced features here. Like if you want to add an exception, like a range of ports. Like if you have a program that uses a bunch of different ports, you can just here enter where the port number starts and when it ends, and it will open all of those for you. So if you use like transmission, so I'm gonna go to transmission here. And let's say you're having trouble downloading stuff because you enabled this firewall, or the downloads are very slow. What you have to do is go to Edit, Preferences, and you want to go to your network, and this is the port that transmission is using. it might be different for your transmission. So what you have to do, just copy this port number, just copy it, and you want to go to simple, and all you have to do is paste it there. Just paste it and go to add, and it will add an exception for it, and now it's not going to be blocking transmission anymore. So again, if you have a laptop and you go to hotspots, like public hotspots, and those don't use encryption, so it's very important to have a firewall. And just stay alert. If you notice anything suspicious about the way your computer is running when you're on a public hotspot like that, just disconnect, because it's very easy for somebody to access your data. Okay, thanks for watching.